Okay, so it's September the 1st and we're off to Morecambe to get my Ioniq 5, Project 45. And I have my Uber driver here, Donald. Sorry, my good friend here, Donald. And we're in his lovely Skoda. It's a smaller battery, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the 60 kilowatt, the IV60. So even in the small, short range version, this should be easy to do. We've done minimal planning, I think. We've put the destination into a better route planner. It's on the dashboard and we'll get there.
And we charged 100% this morning, yeah?
No, no. We forgot, we set the limit to 80% in the car last night, so nothing went into the car at all.
As we arrived at Hyundai DSG in Morecambe, we met up with Will Adams at the dealership and already arranged with him to take the protective packaging off the car as a sort of unboxing. Well, obviously without the box. I suppose not many people can say they've unpacked their own brand new car. I must admit, it was very therapeutic, something about the sound of it. Have you ever wondered what unboxing a car sounds like? I suggest you turn your volume up now. Huh? No, I'll get round to those. Saving the best bit for last. Oh, these ones are more awkward, aren't they? Oh, more. Well, there's a couple on the...
You need a tall person.
Yeah, I need someone taller than 5'6" to reach. Oh, you rip off the best bits. Have I missed a bit? Oh man, it's quite a lot, isn't there? Is there? What have I missed?
No, I'll get this 45 off here.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the Hyundai Ioniq 5 Project 45 as much as I did. And I'd like to thank Donald for taking me down to the dealership in Morecambe. I know it was a bit of a trek and I did repay him with lunch and dinner and a top up of his car for his troubles. And I also want to thank Will Adams for allowing me to peel the protective layer off my brand new car. Obviously, I'll be sending him the invoice in the post. If you like this video and would like to see more in-depth reviews of the Ioniq 5 Project 45 in digital teal green pearl, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want to know more about the car, put it in the comments below and I'll try and cover it in my next video.